excursion from Cron to El Nido, so come and see what we get up to. Back on the boat this morning, and we're about to have breakfast. We've got like eggs, rice, toast, pancakes, milk, and eggs. Bit of an interesting breakfast, not usually what I like, but we're gonna go. First stop of the day, snorkeling.
Il a un bon 39, je crois.
Lunchtime. Lunch, we've got sweet and sour tuna, rice, noodles, and some veggies. Second stop of the day.
Babies? So it's gonna be our fourth stop or our last destination.
We're gonna go over to the beach, play volleyball, just chill out for an hour, and then we're heading to camp. So I will take you along with me. Look at this. Go.
No, please.
Jump. Hi. Oh, you were so cute. My hair as well, but we've made it to camp. It's just here. So now we have to swim to camp. We are on the campsite, all showered. The rums are flowing, and this campsite is well nicer than the last day, isn't it? And the karaoke has started. Slay. But it's just a